Okay, so welcome back, and this is Cryptophil. Now in this video I'm going to show you only in 5 minutes how you can find the potential 2, 3, 5, 20, 50, 100x all the crypto gems in this amazing crypto market or this crypto world where we all living. Now we are in the crypto bull market for the last few weeks. Now this is the beginning. Now it's going to go up, it's going to go down, but overall it's look very bright. Now I find amazing platform, so check this out. It's not a platform, actually it's a crypto group. All right, these guys, it's called Portfolio Masters. The link will be in the description. It's free to join. If you want to join their VIP group, great, use my Cryptophil code and you get 30% discount, but for free. Check what you can get. These guys are amazing. Okay, so this is how they posting. So you come here and they posting link. You can go back and you can see, okay, this is not a scam. You can go, there are few people. I did AMA, they're a nice team and they're doing a lot of research. They're spending between 8 and 10 12 hours per day to do a lot of research. Check this out. They find this one, HNA. If you go there, they posted on October 16, and check this out. The price was 00064. Okay, 3064. Okay, if you go right now, okay, HNA. Okay, let's go and find it. It was right here. There, HNA. If you go now today, it's 001. So it was 0006. Now it's 0015. How many X is that? It's, you know, it's a very good amount of profit. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, let's go to the next one. So check this out. Let's go to the second one. Okay, what they post Octa and Clore AI. I don't even know what the heck is this. You know, you go there, you post the link, and they posted on November 6th right here. Okay, so November 6th, and the price right there was 0036, I believe. Okay, Clore. So, oh yeah, so check this out. The Clore, this is where they posted 600% more since they first posted, because what they're doing is they have two groups. One VIP for paid members, it's only like $50 a month, but with one token I bought and I sold in 1 or 2 weeks, and I made already $200, and I paid for, you know, a few months up front. So my subscription is already paid now. So check this out. This Clore token, what they post, is already did 6x. Okay, 6x, and they post in the VIP group after they post, and then they posting in the free group, but you know, after some time, of course, because the VIP get the first advantage. Okay, so check this out. This is, okay, Clore AI. Let's go and check what's the price now. Okay, Clore AI. Of course, tokens will go up, tokens will go down. Okay, Clore. Let's see, Clore AI. There we go. I don't even know what's this token. Sorry, maybe it's down, maybe it's up. I don't even know. Let's see. 0069. All right, 0069. This is crazy. Okay. Oh man, 0069. Okay. That was since they posted in the VIP, and they posted in October. Okay, so as I can see, it was 600%, so 6x, and now it's double the money, so it's 12x when they post from the VIP group. Okay, that's about it. I don't want to mention anymore. These guys are amazing. Okay, these guys give you all the information. They even have one-to-one. Okay, we have some testimonials, one-to-one, to be honest. Let me see, it's not here. I think it was in the VIP group. They have some testimonials, and you know, no, okay, doesn't matter. All right, so that's about it. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please just understand, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research. Okay, do your research. This is crypto, you can lose everything. This video is for education and entertainment purpose only. If you never watch any of my video, more you give, more you receive, go and watch, please. I highly recommend. I'm the only YouTuber in the DeFi space who is doing something good in the outside world. Now I hope there will be more like me, by the way. Let me go in the Telegram. I'm not allowed to go in the VIP, but I just want to mention, let me see. So there we go, Octa. So they post this one in the VIP group 5 days ago, and it's already double 2x. Okay, so you triple your money. So double, triple. Okay, that's Okta Space. Okay, that's crazy. And they saying we bought Okta, we take profits. Okay, they give you any. They have AMA, by the way, in the city. It's a YouTuber also. Index. They post in the VIP group November 2nd already 3x. That's crazy. Okay, here they're buying 678 index for $700. You know, November 2nd. Okay, they posting everything. Okay, that is crazy. Again, link will be in the description. Please follow them. It's free. If you want to go to the paid, I am there, and there are a few more people, and it's not big, it's very small, and that's good. They can still, you know, check your review, check your what's called your portfolio, ask them all the question you have. Amazing guys, well done to Portfolio Masters. I just want to give them big shout out to them. Again, thank you so much. Till the next one, goodbye.